Hey guys, and welcome to the 7th video already, lucky 7, of HelmCam. Today, we got new things. First, the bike is running properly this time. The gas is not spilling anymore, so that's good. Second, we have a new guy to the team. This is my second angle, it's my phone, I know it's shit, but I don't care. But today, and also, finally, we got the speedo working, I got the snail on, all the things are running good. So today there is, well, nothing else I have planned than just doing the drill, doing the wheelies, doing the stuff as usual. Let's get to it.
Tonight, wheelies up, wheelies down, and wheelies sideways.
Right, so today I'm starting with the little log because it's just gonna be easier for me to get the form, the shape, you know? Let's do this.
Hey, and welcome to the video for the second time. This is gonna be the last video on wheelies for a while because next time I'm planning something a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing like more rally style things than just the wheelies because they are fun, but I'm getting a little bit sick of them. So I just need to switch them up a little bit. And also we are probably getting bored of them because this is like the 4th video of just doing the wheelies again and again and again. I've come a long way, but I think it's a little bit too much. After I've, quite frankly, said it over the log a couple dozen times, I've decided that it's time to upgrade and, well, as usual for now, put the bloody rock down. And when I was at it, well, I moved the camera a little bit for no apparent reason.
I don't seem to be able to bring the wheel up at all. What the fuck? Need to focus on driving and not yapping. Fuck, you know. I gotta move the boulder back. Neutral, of course. Thank you for lighting up now.
Another thing this rocket ship of a bike started doing quite recently, I don't know if I talked about it in the last video, is, well, it forgets to light up the neutral signal. It does light it up, but only after I let go of my whole clutch, and at that point, it's quite frankly useless.
Nope. No little. Yes. Probably improper movement. Oompa Loompa movement, yeah. I should start turning to the right instead of to the left. See?
When I think of it, this might be a good time to, well, talk about all the things I've achieved in my Enduro/rally journey so far. That's not much, but the things I'm gonna roll up, there's gonna be more in the future. So far, I can do a small wheelie over a small log or a smaller rock quite smoothly, and I'm quite frankly very happy about it because it took me like 5 hours of training, which actually isn't a lot.
Huevos. Vamos. Oh, what the fuck? It was slipped around. Ah, damn. Also, I need to buy bigger shoes. These ones are very small. I had them for like a year, so it makes sense, honestly, but still. They're like 2 sizes small. I'm overheating a bit. Bikes is not, but I am, so I'm gonna drink. But not flip over, fuck! Flip over! And when I get off, so flip it over. Okay, finally I did.
So after this point, nothing really interesting happened, so I might as well end it here. I'm saying goodbye from the studio, and you listen to the outro and goodbyes of the waiter in the terrain.
Okay guys, and it's gonna be it for this video. I know it was fairly boring, so it's gonna be quite short. At least when I'm done editing it. But it's Tuesday, it's not Sunday or Saturday, like when I usually make a video, so I'm a bit more tired. Been to school, so a bit more tired. The bike is alright, so that's basically what was my goal here. Find out if I fixed it, which I did, which I'm grateful for. Yeah, and enjoy your day. Peace.